The pot.
Fair enough.
Yeah, that's actually enraged.
Yep, it's in rage prod.
But you know, you can use this to follow me if you want, Estillo.
Nah, I'm good.
But
I have my own movement system calibration in my head. It's all fucky wucky.
Doing it like Shiva mirrors now. because
remember, you getting hit by one thing is not that big of a deal. It's just you can't get hit by multiple. Like
Yeah, just don't get fuckied and wuckied.
Wuckied? Is that an official term? Technical term?
To me, yes.
It's the Oxford Dictionary, yes.
Oh my god.
Have it.
I hate you, dog.
See, I almost messed this one up.
See, it's practice.
One part of my brain was like... It's like, no, go to the other side.
Don't worry, I'm retreated
This is
some days too.
LD.
Today's my day, I'm not even, like, joking.
he's like
Look.
actually crying.
I'm actually crying right now. You guys can't see it, but I'm actually just, like,
Fair.
sobbing.
Oh, Corey's not dark anymore.
Uh,
Alright, I have to heal
no.
then. Fuck.
On a
Oh
dark
no!
energy
Toko
night.
knows his fate.
The hot shield heal us. It's fine.
I'm really expecting Beth to say that's all, folks,
Yeah.
one day.
What?
It's okay, Toka, last time we tested my theoretical uptime strat, okay?
Yeah, we did.
Watch
It
your
worked,
numbers.
okay? It works!
It did.
One's out.
We're gonna have to try we're gonna chase it eventually.
Choose out.
Freeze.
Park your,
Shadowkeeper.
park your dog.
Estillo and Corey, can you go like inside? Thank you.
What do you mean by that?
Like,
She's gonna face
that.
it inward.
Wait, sorry, what?
She's gonna face it inward.
like get in the middle of the hitbox.
For the Shadowkeeper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like when you dodge the orb. I mean the cleave.
Okay.
Shadow Servant next.
I don't understand
Okay,
you,
yeah.
Alice.
Oh, because you're dodging on the outside,
Tank
huh?
sealer, tank
Is
sealer.
that what?
She's gonna face her dolls inside.
Oh, okay.
Fine.
Right.
Not a biggie.
Alright.
It's right on time.
It's not a biggie, it's a small one.
Ah.
Pod. Left. Okay, that works.
The way I figured this out in my head now is so stupid. I'm thinking to myself, so the left of me is death.
That's
Hey,
Exactly.
that's what I'm thinking about. Knockback.
I looked at him, I turned my camera.
Yeah.
Alright, get ready for Umbral Orbs. Alright, follow your healer. And avoid the tanks.
You got here.
Cool.
Hello, friends.
Hello.
You're not my friend. You're on the other side of the map.
You see your dad.
Wow.
What?
Excuse me?
Huh?
It's Delta Bravo. Delta or Bravo.
Delta. Watch up the orbs.
Okay, that works too.
Oh,
No,
okay.
bees.
Oh, sorry.
Please,
I
no!
What? No.
Who you got? Who you got?
Oh,
I gotta go, Corey.
Okay.
If you're in the wrong spot, just stay in the wrong spot.
I
Yeah, it's
know.
fine. We'll take the damage down.
We'll take the
Okay,
damage
okay.
down. Because you running across will actually kill other people too.
Okay.
Yeah. Just stay where you end up. It's cool. This fight fucks with my head too, so don't worry.
I, yeah.
So hard to
My
see the
brain's broken.
orbs.
That's either 1 or 3. 3.
Wait. Oh.
It's gonna,
That's on
it's
that
gonna,
side.
wait, why?
There it is. No idea what's next.
Implosion.
Not that one. I never remember. Going with.
Same side.
This another wayward. I don't like you.
And after this is like some.
Is it knockback maybe?
No, there's no knockback here. Out.
Away.
Oh, sorry, a getaway. That's what I meant. I don't know why I keep saying that. Okay, now it's Umber Smash.
Everything kind of mixes in
So this is
together.
when we
after a
gotta
point.
heal.
Painted.
2, 3.
He's fine.
Oak.
Be a stack.
Well,
Come to
it
me.
is.
Hello there, friend. How are you? A shame
what
this
you
meeting
next.
must be short.
Oh, pots are up again.
DPS first.
Left.
To the left.
I think this is fine.
Now you're my friend. Hi.
Hello, friend.
Don't get lost.
Hello.
Get it? Do your rotates. Remember soak first?
Keep.
I'm going, I'm going.
To your right.
Right.
That's right.
Oh, I'm here. Don't have to move.
Wow.
Same.
Aren't you lucky?
Watch where your friends are. Move in. Now you know who really stabbed you. in the
Pitchbog
back.
next.
Yep. Orbs.
Okay, get in. For heals. Get
More
ready for
orbs.
Umbral Orbs. Remember your knockback too.
You can creep.
We're gonna rotate my group.
Knockback right now.
My group. My group. My. Wait. What did you?
Don't worry. We're fine.
It worked out.
Don't worry.
The forward. It's
Away,
the two.
away.
So remember, we're
Opposite.
opposite. Opposite mirror. Yep.
Keep going opposite.
Okay, it's just two.
Yep.
So I believe raid wide into shackle.
Yeah, don't leave yet.
Yep. Stay in. Save your friends. Buddy system. My
Yeah.
fancy buddy system, but you know.
Okay, it's gonna be shackled next.
We're good.
Nice.
Wait until Squiggy disappears. Look for warps. We're taking the warp next to
Yeah,
us.
we're good to just rotate.
Oh,
Up.
I rotate too early. That's okay.
Oh,
Yeah, so we have to be on the
left.
left side group.
Yeah, that's
My
fine.
group. Yeah, just make sure you're on the left
Okay.
side.
Come here.
Okay.
Okay, we did
Cool.
it.
Good job.
Good.
I wanna like run.
Pitchbog 2. Pitchbog 2.
No. Wait first.
Oh,
Wait
sorry,
first.
wait, you meant Pitchbog.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait, wait.
Yeah, wait first. Alex can stay there. No problem.
Watch for him getting up. He'll be move out soon.
Yeah, he'll be move out and then Pitchbog 2.
Yep.
Out. Remember, like, max melee, your orbs, your power, whatever that's called.
Good doll.
Yeah. Okay, watch the slash. It's a right slash. Keep rotating through.
Move through.
No worries.
Oh, no.
Stay here, stay here.
Okay, so now get your thing.
Park your dolls. I'm actually not just doing anything here.
Me neither.
Oh no.
It's fine, We'll get a damage. We'll get a thing. It's fine.
Stay. Stay. Bait.
Max melee.
Bait your thing.
Tanks heal with claw strikes to your tower. DPS
You
buddy.
just find your tether buddy.
Hog. Tank blast
Good
here.
job.
My bad.
Fine.
This is super bolide.
It's all good. It's all good.
And then after this will be warp with knockback.
2, 3,
Okay.
4.
Stack.
Stack.
Sure.
Do the warp with knockback, please.
Oh shit!
Okay. No,
What?
I got him.
Oh,
It snapshots really early.
Yeah.
I got him.
That's unfortunate.
Corey,
Get him.
you get him as soon as possible.
Object here. I'm out
Go
of
here.
here.
Rotate me, group.
Wait. Oh shit! I'm dead.
It's
I'm
fine.
dead.
It's fine.
This
It's
is
fine.
fine.
It's
This
fine.
is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead. We can do this still. No problem.
You need to heal through this.
Okay.
We're A-okay.
Yeah. No problem.
Congrats on the clear, guys.
Scuffed as fuck, but that's not
I
any
just
different from
want to
usual.
move on. I hate this fight. I hate
Same,
this
though.
Congrats on the clear.
This is
Oh my god.
Please just kill it.
Spare my
Dead
suffering.
dog. That's all that matters.
There we go.
Christ, dude.
God.
Hey guys, my gear spirit bond.
Nice.
Nice.
One thing I learned is like we'll never see it again, but the last 2 raid whites could be covered by 1 reprisal.
That's
I
cool.
can't wait for us to be
okay.
able to skip the last mechanic.
Gear sheet.
Yeah, it's like we'll probably never see it again, but